টপ 50 MS এক্সেল MCQ ফর অল কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম। চলো ফার্স্ট প্রশ্ন দেখে নিই। MS এক্সেল স্ট্যান্ড ফর মাইক্রোসফট এক্সেল। উত্তর কী হবে? মাইক্রোসফট এক্সেল। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, MS এক্সেল ইজ এ উইন্ডোজ বেসড স্প্রেডশিট প্যাকেজ। নেক্সট, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for dash কি হবে উত্তর আমাদের all of these। নেক্সট, when was the first version of MS Excel released? উত্তর আমাদের কি হবে? উত্তর হবে 1985। A collection of worksheet is called option A workbook. Next question, what is the intersections of column and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer option D, cell. Next question, the first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as dash. Option B, A1. Next question, what is the shortcut key to hide entire row? Option A, control 9 বা CTRL+9. What is the shortcut key in hide entire column? Right answer option A, control 0. Next question, to select an entire column in MS Excel press dash. Option right answer হবে option D, control A. Next question, in Excel columns are labeled as A dash, A, ABC, etc. Next question, in Excel rows are labeled as A dash. Option B, 1 to 3. Next question, how many sheets are there in Excel workbook by default? 3. Option C, 3. Next question, which of the following is the oldest spreadsheet package? Right answer হবে C. Vesicle is a program developed by option C. Next question, in which year Vesicle was developed by? Option B, 1979. Next question, which of the following is popular DOS based spreadsheet package? Option C. Next question, what is the file extension of Lotus 1 to 3? Answer option D. Next question, press dash to bring up search box. Right answer C, shift plus F5. Next question, Excel file have a default extensions of dash. Right answer option D. Next question, MS Excel 2003 file extension dash. Right answer option A. Next question, an Excel workbook is a collection of dash. Option B. Next question, which of the following is not a term of MS Excel? Right answer option D. Next question, which key do you press to check spelling? Option A, F7. Next, which symbol must all formula bring with? Option A, is equal. Next question, what is the symbol of multiplying? Option C, asterisk. Next question, which chart can we create in Excel? Option D, all of these. Next, hyperlink can be all of these. Option D. Next question, new comment option can be found under dash tab. Option A, review. Next question, what is the shortcut key to replace a data within sheet? Option B, Control plus H. Excel display the current cell address in the dash. Option B, name box. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in Excel? Option C. Next question. A worksheet can have maximum number of columns in Excel 2019. Right answer option A. Next question. A worksheet can have maximum number of rows in Excel 2019. Option D. Next question, you can active a cell by dash. Right answer option D. Next question, which shortcut key is used to copy the select cell in MS Excel? Option C. Next, to display the find and replace dialog box, press dash. Right answer option B. Next, which shortcut key is used to insert a new worksheet? Right answer option A. Next question, to open the Excel formula windows press option A. Next question, what types of chart is useful for showing trends of change over time? Option B. Next, what type of the chart is useful for comparing part of a whole? Option A, pie chart. Next, which key is used to make multiple in a single cell? Option A, Alt plus Enter. Next, minimum zoom size in MS Excel is dash. Right answer option B. Next, maximum zoom size in MS Excel is dash. Option D. Next, default font size in MS Excel dash. Option A. Next, what is the highest font size in Excel? Right answer option A. Next, what is the smallest font size in Excel? Option B. Next question, what is the shortcut key to save a file in Excel? Option B. Control plus S. Next question, the intersections of row and column in MS Excel is? Right answer option D. Cell.